Dude, Panelord cosplay.
Please.
Great minds think
My
alike.
stomach just growled. What the fuck? I already ate dinner.
Why do we need a bandage?
Your stomach wants more substance. Oh my god, we look so stupid. I'm crying.
What is that noise?
What the fuck? Why
Bye.
was she in there?
There's a monster!
Oh my god!
It's Day!
What the
It's
frick?
Day!
Emery, there's a
It's
monster!
Day! There's a monster!
What?
Emery?
It's
Do not
Emery,
go
Emery,
upstairs!
there's
Do
a
not go
monster.
upstairs!
Emery,
Help me,
there's a
help me,
monster.
help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me.
Revive bro! Oh my god. What the frick? I was also thinking.
Shit! Okay, she's going down, 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 she's going down the fucking stairs, yo. She's going down the fucking stairs.
Dude, Loker, genuinely.
Survive day 5.
I was like thinking.
Oh my god,
Don't
there's
revive
no-
me! Do not revive.
I have to, or else we'll all die. Can you distract them?
Why is there multiple?
Distract! Okay.
Come on, bring out the energy, bro.
Ooh, that scared me so bad.
Toguchi!
Why'd you revive me?
I don't. I did not. TT run. TT run.
I don't think there's anything to distract Josh. They're faster than us.
I'm hiding.
They're not really faster
Dude,
than
what
us.
the
The thing is, the stamina is like really bad.
I'm
think
hiding
they just heard me
upstairs.
scream at the
Are we
top
all
of my
dead?
lungs.
When it was like during day, I was like thinking, what if there was a monster in the day? Okay.
Juno, stop thinking.
You don't fucking jinx this. What's your problem? You always be jinxing bullshit.
No, cause like I was like genuinely curious since since this is Harmon, what if there was like a mob or like there's monsters in the day? I went inside the pink room, there was a monster. No,
Dude.
guys, come
That
on.
just don't step out. That don't even move. Don't say a word. Don't do nothing. I tell you, bro.
Emery?
Shut that room dead.
Just
Are
climb
you all
up a
dead?
window.
Are you
and
all
don't
dead?
Move.
Are you?
Yeah.
No, I'm alive.
Okay, thank you.
I'm in heaven. I'm seeing stars.
That's nice.
Oi.
Actually, I
Are
think
you
it's
sure you're
just the
gonna go to
universe.
heaven?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, he's
Okay,
going
fine.
to
I'll
heaven
go
with
to
me.
Purgatory.
None of us are going to heaven.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do
I
you
got
think you
it.
want us to
Yeah.
suffer in hell?
Love you all.
Why do you want me to suffer in hell? I'm already
Because
suffering.
we're all
Yeah.
going to.
Because we're all
I didn't
faggots.
say you were gonna suffer in hell.
No, I didn't say we were gonna suffer
Fun.
in hell. We could have a fun time together, you know? Together forever, guys.
Fun time.
Oh, it's morning now.
In hell.
A
Is it,
fun time getting
remember
tortured
it.
to death? Okay.
is it morning?
Wait,
Who else you can torture in
wait.
hell?
There's
Right behind
Gee,
you.
I mean-
no.
Thank you, Emery.
I still hear noises. I still hear noises.
I still hear noises too.
I'm
She's in the
genuinely
bathroom.
scared.
She's in the bathroom.
Just-
Close the door. Close the door. Close the door.
It's just in the bathroom.
Rev,
Juno, I can't rep Juno.
Stop! I will genuinely kill you! I'll stop! Genuinely. Stop, I will kill you. I will kill you. Do not revive me.
You need to be
there.
revved. Oh god.
Fuck! Damn it. The girl who
No,
stays.
Don't revive me because I will just die again.
I think it's glitched
Yeah.
because that girl has been staying.
No, her name is literally the girl
Yeah.
who stays. That's literally her name.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
The girl who stays.
So we just have to.
What the hell?
We have to deal with it.
Wait, Juno says no, bro. I revved you.
Please
Juno,
help
hey,
us.
Juno, run
Just
back to
help me.
safety. Juno, run back.
I'm leaving, Chichi.